600 million Indians are already facing high to extreme water stress. And by 2030, our demand for water will be twice the available supply. Yes, twice. This means millions will struggle just to get a glass of clean water. Today, we explain why India, with only 4% of the world's fresh water but 18% of its population, is heading towards a water emergency, and what we must do to stop it. Status of water crisis. Let's start with where we stand. According to a 2018 Niti Aayog report, 600 million people in India already face serious water problems. Cities like Delhi, Bengaluru, and Chennai are running out of groundwater fast. In 2019, Chennai literally ran dry. People stood in lines with buckets. IT parks shut down. And by 2030, 21 major Indian cities may completely run out of groundwater. That's 100 million people at risk. India is now ranked 13th among 17 most water-stressed countries in the world. Why is India running out of water? But why is this happening? Here are the key reasons. 1. Groundwater. Overuse. 60% of our irrigation and 85% of our drinking water comes from underground water. We are extracting it faster than nature can refill it. 2. Polluted water. A 2024 report said 70% of India's water is contaminated. Fluoride and arsenic pollution affects 230 million people across 19 states. Rivers like the Yamuna are so polluted they're almost black. 3. Changing rainfall. The monsoon is now unpredictable. It rains too much or too little, too early or too late. 1/3 of India's land is prone to droughts, harming crops and causing hunger. 4. Melting glaciers. Glaciers in the Himalayas are melting faster due to climate change. This means more river flow today, but much less water in the future. 5. Water-hungry crops. We grow water-heavy crops like rice and sugarcane, even in dry areas like Punjab and Haryana. Growing 1 kilo of rice needs up to 5,000 liters of water. 6. Exporting water indirectly. When we export rice, we're actually exporting India's precious water. Policies like MSP make farmers grow paddy even where it's unsustainable. 7. Low use of modern irrigation. Drip and sprinkler systems can cut water use by half, but they're used on only 9% of farmland today. The economic impact. This crisis isn't just about thirst, it's about the economy too. The World Bank says water scarcity could reduce India's GDP by 12% by 2050. Farmers suffer the most. Just a 100 mm drop in rainfall during Kharif season can cut incomes by 15%. In rain-fed areas, incomes could fall by a massive 25%. What has the government done so far? Thankfully, some steps are being taken. 1. Atal Bhujal Yojana. This is a community-driven groundwater management project. It's running in 8,000 villages across 7 states. 2. National Water Mission. It aims to improve water use efficiency by 20% by 2025. 3. Dam rehabilitation, DRAP. 300 large dams are being modernized with $1 billion from the World Bank. 4. Meghalaya Project. ADB is helping with a $50 million water harvesting project in Meghalaya. 5. Solar irrigation. Farmers are being encouraged to use solar-powered pumps instead of diesel ones. What's still going wrong? But many challenges remain. India needs $6.7 trillion by 2030 to fix its water infrastructure. We also lack proper water accounting. We don't know how much water is being used and/or wasted. What can we do now? Here's the way forward. 1. People's participation, Jan Bhagidari. Involve citizens in saving and managing water. Strengthen schemes like Atal Bhujal and Jal Shakti Abhiyan by spreading awareness and giving rewards. 2. Policy alignment. Water, energy, and climate policies must work together, not separately. 3. One health approach. Human health, animal health, and environment all are connected. Clean water is the first step toward a healthier India. A conclusion. India's water crisis is real, but it's not too late. With smarter policies, better technology, and your participation, we can turn the tide. Because water isn't just a resource, it's life. Let's not wait for the last drop to act. Like, share, subscribe for more such deep explainer videos.